students, and of course, our pastors, a pleasant morning to morning.
Morning!
The College of Health Sciences is very much happy and proud to announce to you the result of the recently concluded Medical Technologies Licensure Examination held on March 8 to 9, 2023. Particularly, the College of Health Sciences have garnered an overall national passing rate of 76.51%. For the first-time takers, we have 77.94%, and for the retakers, we have 85%. McKinley, Balisacan Dominic, Barbosa Fred Joshua, Belio Giselle K, Beria Renale Obrey, Pib Bay, De Peralta Neil Patrick, Davis Mark Daniel, Doran Joanna Marie, Pescador Erica Chain, Titoriano Carl Darren, Soria Laika Isabel, Soriano Mika Angela. And with your spirit.
Bow for the blessing.
Sige, kisan kayo. Video. Currently in, yan na tayo. Isla La Union na guys.
But I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control.
Enter with the March 2023 Medical Technologies Licensure Exam in Kalandag, Maryland. The chairperson of the Board of Medical Technology, Honorable Marilyn A. Cabal Barca.
of our young, soon-to-be professionals. We are excited about their potential for further growth and development and their readiness to achieve new heights in the years ahead. Well and faithfully discharge.
And I will well and faithfully discharge,
To the best of my ability.
to the best of my ability,
The duties and obligations.
the duties and obligations
Incumbent upon a legally authorized medical technology practitioner.
incumbent upon a legally authorized medical technology practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, everyone.
Pagtusok mo sa kamay ko, damang-dama ko hanggang sa puso ko. Blood banker ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi pag cross-match mo sa dugo ko at sa dugo mo, nalaman ko, compatible pala tayo. Centrifuge ka ba?
Bakit? Pinag-aaway
Kasi
ka
mundo
kasi.
ko ikot ng ikot sa kaiisip sa'yo. I-centrifuge mo nga ang specimen ko. Kahit saan mo paikot-ikutin, ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko.
Yay!
Remember this, akin lahat yan ha. Hindi ko yan ipinalagiarize kay Senator Miriam. Ginaya ko lang. I-centrifuge mo nga specimen ko.
Bakit?
Kahit saan mo pa ikot-ikutin, ikaw pa rin mahal ko. Di ba? Inulit ko na lang. Tanong ng mga lalaki sa babae, tapos na ba ang exams mo? Baka ako pwede naman ang sagutin mo. Inggit ako sa galunggong. Lakasan nyo naman.
Bakit?
Galunggong.
Bakit?
Mabuti pa siya, maraming nagsasabing mahal. O ito, wala na kayo magsabi kung bakit. One-liner na lang. Next siya ako. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, alam mo ba, AB negative, rare ang type ng dugo ko. Dugtong pa niya. Nasa dugo namin ang magaganda at pogi. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit sa dugo lang? Di ba dapat sa baba din? O ito last. Isang babae pumunta sa beauty salon. Sabi niya, paglabas ko dito sa parlor, dapat kamukha ko na si Angelina Jolie. Sagot sa kanya, beautician po ako, hindi ako magician. In 2011, after my retirement, I started to reminisce by pictures in the exam. Also credits to Doc Barza and Doc Florento for But on a serious note, we've been through a lot. A lot is even an understatement. The setbacks that our batch had to face just so we can achieve the 3 letters after our name. Endowed with the letters RMT, our mission is not only limited to the clinical laboratory. There are diseases and illnesses that go beyond the clinical setting, and there are still issues and injustices lurking in our society. To name a few:
Skills and knowledge.
Share my knowledge and expertise to my colleagues.
Share my knowledge and expertise to my colleagues.
Contribute to the advancement of the professional organization and other allied health organizations.
Contribute to the advancement of the professional organization and other allied health organizations.
My mom is somewhere there.
Thank you and congratulations. As the new
For me. Ako si
Ako si Dominic John Vicencio Bagsakan.
Ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Natutuparin ko ng buong husay at katapatan. Sa abot ng aking makakaya. Ang aking mga tungkulin. Bilang kasapi ng Philippine Association of Medical Technologies. 10 ng iba pang alituntunin ng kapisanang ito. Na aking igagalang at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas nito. Na tunay na mananalig at
All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach. If I keep buying,
We're done. Done of taking. Yeah. For the init and for the gutom na ang person.
I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach. If I keep buying time.